You won't be returning to school. You'll be homeschooled again.
I will not have you outside in that dangerous world.
It's not dangerous, Father. I'm always stuck in here by myself. Why can't I go out and make friends just like everybody else?
Because you are not like everyone else.
He's still only thinking of himself. I just want this terrible day to be over and done with.
Come to think of it, we're okay without him. Cats are nothing but trouble.
Feeling so lonely and ignored. It was bound to happen. Are you ready, Mayura?
More than ever.
Fly away, creature of the dark, and evilize his broken heart!
What? This can't be. No. I'm sorry, milady. Well, Ladybug.
I don't want to fight you, Cat Noir.
Finally, I'll find out who you are, Ladybug.
Ladybug and Cat Noir are fighting each other. This is incredible, ladies and gentlemen.
Now, the miraculous grab her earring!
Cat Noir! Cat Noir and I are a team. If you take me on, you take Cat Noir on too.
Trust me on this, okay? What if Cat Noir doesn't turn up?
Oh, he will. I trust him.
Whoever she is beneath that mask, I love that girl. Did you order a giant beast, Malay?
I knew I could count on you, Kitty. Cat Noir! You know you're irreplaceable. You're more than a partner, Cat Noir. You're my friend.
Thank you for keeping your promise, Malay.
We are a team, aren't we?
Found it!
Our team crumbled.
Then let's go back to what's always worked. A duo. You and me against the world, milady. You know I love battling by your side, milady. But I could never bring myself to fight you. Fight you. Fight you. Fight you. Ladybug?
Cat Noir!
What do you think you're doing? Take her miraculous before it's too late!